Class 12 Physics, Chapter 1st, Electric Charges and Field. You are studying electric dipole. Dipole you have read, and dipole moment, and electric field we are finding. Electric field at a point on the axial line. Electric field at a point on the axial line due to electric dipole. You have read. Now you will study electric field intensity. Electric field intensity or electric field. For simplicity, you can say electric field. Electric field intensity at a point on the equatorial line of an electric dipole. So consider an electric dipole having charges minus q and plus q separated by distance 2l. O is the midpoint of dipole. So this distance L, and here also L. Take a point P at a distance r from the center of the electric dipole. So now you have to find out electric field at point P due to plus q charge. Electric field at point P due to plus q charge. So it is E1. If it is positive charge, direction will be away. If it is negative charge, direction of electric field at point P due to minus q charge will be towards charge negative. So electric, which formula we are using here? So electric field at point P due to electric dipole, formula you will derive E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R cube. Now for this derivation, which formula you are using? So this here is a charge, Q charge, and at P point, electric field at point P due to Q charge. So this you have read E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. This formula we are using. Electric field at point P due to plus Q charge. So this formula, so E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. E electric field is vector quantity. If it is positive charge, direction of electric field will be outward. If it is negative charge, direction of electric field will be towards the charge. So electric field at point P due to plus Q charge. So E1 positive charge, so away. So here electric field at point P due to plus Q charge. The electric field at point P due to plus Q charge. So this is E1. E1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by PB square. PB square. और ये डिस्टेंस क्या हो जाएगा? ये L है, तो ये है, और ये हमारा क्या हो गया? 90 डिग्री. बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम इट विल बी अंडर रूट R square plus L square. This under root मतलब power half you can say. So in place of PB, this you can whole square you can say. If you write whole square, so 2 will be cancelled. So you will get this, and direction will be along PC. Direction will be along PC direction. So now this electric field at point P due to minus Q charge. The minus Q electric field at point P due to minus Q charge. So it will be E2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by magnitude we are taking, not negative. Q by PA square. PA square. Then here if you are writing whole square power half, this distance also will be L R by Pythagoras theorem hypotenuse. So this distance will be under root R square plus L square. Under root, that is half. So here square you are seeing square. So this will be R square plus L square. A direction will be along PA. Now resultant electric field at point P due to plus Q charge, due to negative charge. So resultant you will find this we are getting theta. So this will be isosceles triangle. ये डिस्टेंस क्या होगा? इक्वल है. तो ये थीटा है. ये रिजल्टेंट ऑफ E1 E2 is represented by the diagonal of the parallelogram PCDF. अब ये E1 E2 का रिजल्टेंट क्या हो जाएगा? resultant of E1 E2 is represented by the diagonal of the parallelogram. Parallelogram we can draw P C D F. E1 E2 का resultant is represented by diagonal of the parallelogram. So E. So you have read this parallelogram law of vector addition. R is equal to under root a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Now this, since this E1 is equal to E2, magnitude same है, the resultant of E1 E2 is represented by diagonal of the parallelogram, or simplicity net electric field due to the electric dipole. According to parallelogram law of vector addition, E is equal to net electric field, resultant electric field, effective electric field. E is equal to under root E1 square plus E2 square plus 2 E1 E2 cos 2 theta. ये एंगल चाहिए, angle between E1 and E2. This angle, this is theta, this is theta. How theta? Both are parallel, so this is alternate angle. So then this both are parallel. This you can consider corresponding angle. So this will be theta, this will be theta. So now in place of this you can see E1 E2 both are equal. So this also we can write इसके प्लेस पर E1 स्क्वायर प्लस E1 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 E1 square you can say cos 2 theta. This also we can add, so it will be 2 E1 square plus 2 E1 square cos 2 theta. In place of here common we can take common, this will be under root 2 E1 common we can take 2 1 square, but this here 1 plus cos 2 theta. In place of E1 we can put this value we can put, so it will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by this you can say in place of this square, or E1 we can take outside of square now this E is equal to under root 2 E1 square 1 plus cos 2 theta. So this we can write E is equal to E1 square, square हटेगा तो रूट भी हटेगा, E1 और under root 2 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta. You have read cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Sin को convert कर दो cos में तो क्या हो जाएगा 2 cos square theta minus 1, तो 1 को इधर ले आओ तो 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. इसके प्लेस पर ये वैल्यू पुट कर सकते हैं, 1 plus cos 2 theta के प्लेस पर, E1 के प्लेस पर 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square plus l square, और ये 2 हो गया इसके प्लेस पर 2 cos square theta, 2 to 4 4 का स्क्वायर रूट हो गया. तो दिस now you can write here E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square plus l square, और 2 into 2 4 4 का स्क्वायर रूट 2 हो गया cos square theta, स्क्वायर हटेगा तो रूट भी हटेगा तो cos theta. Here you are getting now 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square plus l square, और ये 2 यहाँ है. अब cos theta इस ट्रायंगल में ले सकते हो, इस ट्रायंगल राइट ट्रायंगल में cos theta is equal to b by h, cos theta is equal to, या इस ट्रायंगल में भी ले सकते हैं cos theta is equal to b by h, तो l by r square plus l square to the power. तो इस cos theta के प्लेस पर लिख सकते हो l by this r square plus l square to the power half. तो now 1 by 4 pi, यहाँ देखो कि q और 2l, q 2l तो 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught और पावर हाफ है, क्या हो गया r स्क्वायर प्लस l स्क्वायर पावर 1, r स्क्वायर प्लस l स्क्वायर पावर हाफ, 1 प्लस हाफ 3 by 2, और and you have read P is equal to Q into 12. इसके प्लेस पे वैल्यू पुट कर सकते हो तो क्या हो जाएगा, तो 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट, इसके प्लेस पे P लिख सकते हो और यहाँ R स्क्वायर प्लस L स्क्वायर 3/2. दिस इज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. Direction is from P to D. P to D means from positive to negative along PD. along PD कर सकते हो. और ये डाइपोल अगर स्मॉल है, शॉर्ट डाइपोल है, या P पॉइंट इज वेरी फार, मीन R क्या हो गया, वेरी लार्ज हो गया. इफ R is very very large than L means that is L square is nearly to 0. तो क्या हो जाएगा, ये 0 हो गया, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, R to the power 3 हो जाएगा. Then you can say क्या हो जाएगा, E is equal to 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट P by R cube, और that is also you can say E is inversely proportional to R cube. यानी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जो है, if you are going away from middle point of the dipole, electric field will decrease. Electric field at a point on the axial line, electric field at a point on the equatorial line, that you are getting same thing. Electric field at a point on the axial line, direction is from negative to positive. Here electric field intensity at a point on the equatorial line, direction is from positive to negative. In this way these are very important, so you will study carefully. It is asked in the board examination.